Sakshi, and today we're gonna talk about some books. Have you had that feeling where you read a book and it stays with you for a long time? Like you just feel like every book you read, it changes something inside you. Maybe it does just a little bit change, but it does change something inside you. So today we're gonna talk about some books that influenced my life for in a very beautiful manner. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we have here this book, which is You Can Win by Shiv Khera. It is the most helpful book that you will ever find. Like even if you don't read any other self-help books out there, and if you read just this one, it's more than enough. So this copy here belongs to my sister, which she bought in her college days, which have also helped her a lot. So I recently read it, and it's like it has really helped me to change my mindset. So I'm an introvert. I don't talk to people that much. So whenever I need advice, I reach out to books. And this one here has helped me a lot. Like it has everything. Like it is a total guideline towards success. Like it shows you how to build a positive attitude, where to find motivation, how can you find motivation, what are your fears, where you lack, and how can you build your self-esteem, like everything you'll ever need. So there's one example in this book which says like we can't control circumstances around us, but we can definitely control our reaction towards it, which is I think which is something that we should all follow in our life. The thing that book changed in me was like I'll explain it. I'll just read a short poem for you, which goes like, he slept beneath the moon, he basked beneath the sun, he lived a life of going to do and died with nothing done. It's by James Albury. The and it is a poem that gets me out of bed every single day. Like it's like I'm totally the person who's like, I want to do this, I want to do that, and I ended up do nothing. And this poem gets me going. Like every time I feel like I'm doing nothing, it just reminds me of this poem, and I ended up doing a little things. Every day I try to do every little thing that I thought of. Like my brain is 24/7 ongoing, but the action doesn't come out of it. And the poem just reminds me of to do the actions that I need to do to change. So I definitely recommend this book. It's a very easy read, and for even for beginners, like it has everything. It has very nice examples, will help you understand what the author wants to say to you. So surely check it out. So the next book we have here is this, The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. It is my second most favorite self-help books. Like earlier I used to wake up at 10 a.m. and now I wake up at 6:30 at most. This book has helped me a lot. Like even in last lockdown, I used to wake up early, but I had nothing to do, so I was like totally demotivated to get up. But when I read book, this book has like a total morning routine ready for you, like which has helped me a lot. Like I don't have to think after waking up like what I have to do, which is a great thing. I think the most favorite thing in this book of mine is the 2020 rule, which is like you have to get up at 5 a.m. Then 20 minutes you have to move, like do anything like exercise or whatever, and the next 20 minutes you reflect on your life. Like you meditate, you journal, or you just write a gratitude list or anything that will help you. And the last 20 minutes that you have, you grow. Like it says like read podcast, read books, or hear audiobooks, anything that will help. The favorite quote from this book is, 20 years from now you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. I would definitely recommend this book. It shows the importance of a morning routine, and if nothing more, it will surely help you to change your habits. So the next book we have here is this, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. If you haven't already figured out, Robin Sharma is one of my favorite authors. So where the first two books will help you find your motivation, help you to build a positive attitude or self-esteem. This one will help you find your passion, purpose, and inner peace. This book here will show you the importance of meditation, the time, and the importance of living in the present, which will help you to improve your personal life. Other two books were more of a cooperative life where you deal with people outside your home. In this, you will be know how to deal with yourself, like your inner self, and how to deal with your closed ones. It will make you understand the importance of the discipline, meditation, and gratitude towards others and every other thing that you have in your life. So, and also it shows you how to give importance to your goals and how to achieve them. So, my favorite quote from this book is that it says that your I can is more important than your IQ. You should totally once read this book. It will help you to look at things differently in your everyday life. So the next book we have here is this, The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. I'm not sure how the surname is pronounced, so please bear with it. So this book here shows you, explains you how your subconscious mind works and how habit works. It shows you the relationship between the subconscious mind and habits and how you cannot change some habits even if you try your 100%. Really helped me to understand my habits and why I wasn't able to change them. One quote from this book, it says that you can't extinguish a bad habit, you can only change it. So I think it is the thing that really helped me to understand, and how it also tells you how to transform your bad habits. Like it is a total way, like how your subconscious mind works and how you could change your bad habits into a good habits. It is a total guideline towards it. So next book we have here is this, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. So I'm not sure how the surname is pronounced, but I'm sure you have heard of this book. It's very popular on Instagram, and I know it's a non-fiction, but it surely makes to the list of my books, because this book has really helped me to change my perspective towards my dreams, like and taught me to never give up on them even if people tell you to. Help you to work on your dreams and teach you not to give up on them like totally. And it also says that if you desire a thing with your whole heart, the whole universe will help you to get it. It's totally like Om Shanti Om Vara vibe, where it's like कि किसी चीज़ को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. But it just had stuck in my mind and I think it's true. So these were few books that influenced my life. They have really helped me to change from inside. I hope they do the same for you. So do give them a read, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Until we meet next time, keep smiling. Bye bye.